This is Burlap Texture die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die perfect for creating a textured element. This burlap die cut will add detail and texture to any project. Pair it with stamped flowers or a simple sentiment to create a stunning card. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines available in the market. This is Featured Sentiments die set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set perfect for creating dainty sentiment strips. Give your sentiments the attention they deserve with this die set. It features various sizes of rounded rectangles and coordinating mats to make them pop, or use the mats alone for larger sentiments. This die set coordinates perfectly with our Sentiment Strips and Sentiment Strips 2 stamp sets, however they will also work with many other sentiments you have in your crafty stash. This is Layered Geo Cover Die A from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die perfect for creating fun backgrounds for your cards. This detailed geometric die is sized to cover the front of a standard A2 card. It can be used alone or layered with our Layered Geo Cover Die B for an amazingly unique and beautiful result. There is even a space in the center just perfect for a featured image or sentiment. This is Layered Geo Cover Die B from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die perfect for creating fun backgrounds for your cards. This detailed geometric die is sized to cover the front of a standard A2 card. It can be used alone or layered with our Layered Geo Cover Die A for an amazingly unique and beautiful result. There is even a space in the center just perfect for a featured image or sentiment. This is Leaf Mix die set from Altenew. This set contains 14 high quality steel dies perfect for adding detailed leaf elements to your projects. This set includes 14 whimsical leaf designs that you can use as is or pair them together to create endless combinations. Layer them on top of each other, create fun clusters, or use the same design multiple times to replicate flower petals. This fun and versatile set will cover all of your leaf needs.
Introducing Mini 3D Stars die set. This is a high quality steel die set containing 3 individual images. Do you want to add some starry dimension to your paper crafting projects? With this die set you can easily create 3-dimensional stars. Cut the star and score along the lines, fold back the tabs and adhere to your handmade projects. If you cut 2 of the same size, You can adhere the pieces together to create a fully 3D star, just perfect for holiday ornaments or even home decor. Introducing Simple Nesting Flowers Layering Die Set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set containing 12 individual dies. This simple die set can help you create beautiful floral clusters in no time. This die set includes minimalistic flower and leaf designs in multiple sizes. Layer these up to create fabulous whimsical flower arrangements. The basic shapes of these images work wonderfully with specialty papers and mixed media techniques. Introducing Stack Diamonds Cover Die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. This modern geometric cover die will elevate any card design in a flash. Add elegance with white on white effect or create a playful background by using your favourite coloured cardstocks. This versatile design will work well with all of your favourite products to create many different designs, be that on cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. As this die measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, it will fit perfectly onto the front of an A2 card base. Introducing Tangled Loops Cover Die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. Do you want to add fun and unique backgrounds to your paper crafting projects? This fun cover die works in any orientation to help you create unique designs. Use it as is or layer up multiple pieces at different angles to create a more tangled appearance. You can also tuck stamped images between the loops to give an extra unique look to your creations. As this cover die measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, it will perfectly fit on the front of an A2 card base. Introducing Thin Frame 3D Die Set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set with 2 individual dies. This one-of-a-kind die set will help you create a 3-dimensional frame. Simply cut 2 of each of the dies, fold and adhere to create a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cardstock frame. You can also create 5 1/2 and 4 1/4 square frames by using 4 die cuts of each die. Add this frame to your cards and scrapbook pages to instantly create your very own works of art. All Altenew dies work beautifully with various die cutting machines on the market. For more information and fresh inspiration using Thin Frame 3D die set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!